Okay, it hasn't been a video in a while. This one's just going to be a quick video about this shifter here, and I don't want to insult your intelligence about putting on a new shifter, but I was worried about doing this because of the deep socket in here and how deep it is and how much you have to screw it on in order to get it to fit. So I was worried about when I got a new one that I would sit up here and there'd be a big gap in between the shifter and this boot. So it's a pretty easy way to fix it if you pop this off. So let me pop it off and I'll show you how to do it. You just take off the shift knob, obviously, and then you pull up from here. And so I'll move that out of the way and then I'll show you what I'm looking at underneath there. So I pulled off the panel and just set it aside, and underneath here you have this cloth little protector. Take that off, and then there's this rubber boot. So what you can do is you just pull this up right here and get yourself a zip tie and zip tie it up as high as it'll go, but still leaving a little bit of lip to zip tie it to this hard plastic piece down here, the black right there. So I'm going to pull it up to about there, and then I'm going to zip tie it right around here. Okay, so I got the zip tie on there, and I tightened it down the zip tie as much as I can, and I just left a little bit for it to hold on to on that plastic piece that I was showing you earlier, and you can see that down in there. Hopefully if it'll focus. And so I got all this rubber up here that's just kind of sitting here, but that's what the leather shift boot will sit on and keep a nice seal. So let me put this back together and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so now when you put the knob on, and I got this knob off of, this is shift knob, it's aluminum, solid piece of aluminum billet, I believe. It has a little adapter in there that adapts it. It came with that to the Nissan Infiniti threads. So you just throw that on, and now when you tighten it down all the way, this boot is nice and tight now to that piece because I pushed that rubber up, and so now it's a good fit. It looks perfect, and it actually, this stock shift boot is really a nice fit. It's the right width here, and so it looks perfect. It looks like it was made to be there. So just want to show you that quick fix. If you're worried about getting a new shift knob because yours is tattered and the leather's falling apart, which mine was and mine has been for a while. I mean, the car is a 2003, so it's been happening for a long time, and I did not want to spend the $100 and something to buy a new one of these from Nissan. So I got this for 20 or 30 bucks off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, and it's, like I said, it's solid aluminum. It does get hot in the summer heat if you leave it in direct sunlight, but it's aluminum, so the aluminum cools down pretty quick after you get the AC going and everything. So any metal shift knob you get is going to heat up in the sun. So just I have a little cleaning cloth that I keep in here, and I just put the cleaning cloth over it when I leave the car. That's it. And I'll try to have some more updates and some more videos for you guys. See you in the next one.